Selenium for Beginners with Rex Jones II. Closed captioning is available for you. Switch CC on or off.
Hello and welcome to Selenium for Beginners. In this video, I will cover how to switch to a frame. Next is frame using string, which selects a frame by its name or ID. Let's walk through the application under test AUT. First, we are going to load chase, then add a wait statement for this welcome box. Finally, we enter a user name. Go to Eclipse. The method name is switch to frames underscore string. Let's load the application. Driver.get https://www.chase.com. Next, we find the username element, driver.findElement by ID. Send keys at test 3400. Inspect the element. Copy the value for ID. Paste the value. Add a wait statement before entering the username. A dynamic explicit wait for 5 seconds. Next, wait until userId-input-field is visible. Then run. There is no information in the username text field. There is no information because the welcome sign-in box has view frame source. View frame source indicates this box is a frame or iframe. Let's inspect. Scroll up to iframe tag. In addition to the src attribute, notice the iframe has an ID and a name attribute with a value of logon box. The previous switch example used a value within src, but we are going to use logon box for name and ID. Let's go back to Eclipse and perform our switch. As expected, we see a failure. This time, let's use string for switching. Driver.switch2.frame string. The description shows select a frame by its name or ID. Frames located by matching name attributes are always given precedence over those matched by ID. This means we can use the name attribute or ID attribute, but name ranks higher than ID. However, the iframe we are switching to has the same name and ID. Therefore, it does not apply for this scenario. Add logon box within double quotes. Then run. This time, username has information. And switch to frames underscore string pass. That's it. And thank you for watching switch to a frame using string. Next is switch to frame using index. The transcript, presentation, and the code will be available on GitHub at Rex Jones II, Selenium for Beginners, and tinyurl.com/switch-methods.
Online courses coming soon. Books available in paperback, ebook, and PDF. All Part 1 ebooks and PDF documents are free. Programming books for UFT. Programming books for Java. Here's a Selenium automation book. And TestNG. Subscribe to get notification of future videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.